Now, over the past year, supply chain has become a daily conversation. And through these challenging times, SAP's supply chain and procurement solutions have helped deliver the goods our customers rely on. With innovations using mobile, augmented reality, and robotics, SAP solutions are powering supply chain in new ways. So let's see how small process improvements can make big impacts. Well, I need a new laptop, so I'm going to buy one here in the SAP Ariba shopping app. Now, following this order, let's see how the supply chain operates from the component sourced, then manufactured into a laptop, and then ultimately shipped to me. But before production begins, our laptop manufacturer needs to source materials. Here, the manufacturer opens the latest integrated business planning to understand all the components they need to build this laptop. They quickly see the notification indicating that their regular plastic supplier has a shortage. But thanks to SAP's Business Network, they can use the trading partner directory to find an alternative supplier. And the network also now helps them identify more sustainable trading partners. And to help increase sustainability-sourced plastics, SAP created the Rural Sourcing Project in Ghana. In urban areas of Ghana, people collect 218 tons of waste daily, providing an income for themselves. SAP built a mobile solution to ensure the collectors understand fair market value and are not exploited. This technology is simple to use and brings new plastic sources into the supply chain. So with the new recycled plastic sourced, assembly of my laptop can begin. Now, in this part of the laptop manufacturing process, augmented reality, or AR, can help. AR enables workers to be heads up and hands-on in the assembly line and when completing repairs. And each step of the process is guided by visual steps and uses automatic data capture, syncing directly back to S/4HANA Cloud to reduce errors and improve efficiency. Now, with my laptop manufactured, it can now move to the warehouse. Today, we're announcing SAP Warehouse Robotics, enabling people in a wide range of warehouse robots to work seamlessly together. When the laptop assembly is done, the production worker can trigger a pickup request for the robot from vendors like Locus, as you can see here, and it carries it to the packaging station. Now, to further empower workers, SAP and Apple have partnered together to bring a new set of apps to the warehouse floor. Today, we're announcing the first two that are delivering the state-of-the-art experiences and innovation across iOS devices. Now, in warehousing, efficiency and flexibility are key. So first, we're announcing SAP Warehouse Operators for iOS. The app optimizes the main warehousing tasks: picking, packing, and putting away. It uses AI for efficient barcode scanning and uses indoor location functionality for simplified warehouse navigation. And with S/4HANA Cloud integration, your warehouse and processes systems are all connected. So now my laptop is loaded and ready for delivery. Now, to ensure prompt and reliable delivery, the second new app, SAP Direct Distribution, empowers the driver experience. This app gives drivers the ability to execute on a paperless delivery on their daily route using camera, location management, and offline capabilities of iOS. Now, these first two apps are available on iOS today, with more apps in development. Now, since I've ordered a ThinkPad, let's go check in with Lenovo Chairman and CEO Yang Yuanqing on how Lenovo is using SAP solutions to power their world-class supply chain.
I'm very happy to see the continued enhancements to your supply chain solutions. Lenovo delivers over 150 million products a year, which means about 5 products every second to our customers around the world, with 96% on-time delivery. SAP is a key partner in this effort with world-class supply chain solutions. Together with SAP, Lenovo is building new state-of-the-art smart factories globally. These new smart factories are running S/4HANA on Lenovo infrastructure with the end-to-end order-to-delivery solutions, connecting over 2,000 suppliers to millions of customers. They will definitely take Lenovo manufacturing to a whole new level.
Looks like I've got a delivery for Julia White.
Oh, thank you. Hey, wait a minute. Aren't you Art Hugh, SVP, Global CIO, and Services Solutions CTO at Lenovo?
I am, thank you, Julia. I'm so excited to be here that I wanted to deliver your ThinkPad personally.
Thank you, Art, I so appreciate that. Now, we just heard from YY about the scale of Lenovo's operations, and I understand you've recently invested in more smart factories to deal with customers' growing demands. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Absolutely. From our smart factories, we're shipping more than 150 million devices annually. That works out to about 5 devices a second. Now, I'm not hand delivering each of those, but it's critical to have the latest technology. The digital helps us achieve the efficiency and the accuracy at scale, and the smart helps us take the latest operating models and incorporate AI into our operations. Of course, SAP S/4HANA has been helping us power that journey, and it's one of our cornerstone investments in that modern, digital, and smart core.
Fantastic. Now, I know that Lenovo is also focused on sustainability in your business, right? And this is a priority across so many companies that are here today. So I'd love to hear about what Lenovo is doing.
Yes, like you, we're seeing sustainability moving to the forefront in our conversations with our customers across all levels, all geographies. This matches perfectly with Lenovo's services-led transformation that we're driving. Let's take, for example, Device as a Service, DaaS. We're able to design sustainability into each step of the offering. We can think about how to deploy efficiently, maximize utilization during the asset lifecycle, and use recovery services for secure and responsible handling at the end of the useful life. So this way, by reimagining our services with sustainability in mind, we're able to do right by our customers and our sustainability goals. The right technology and services means being able to say yes to more things and the right things.
I love it. Now, pivot a bit and talk to me about Lenovo's transition from a company that was primarily focused on hardware, right, to becoming a full-service technology solution provider.
Well, we like to say at Lenovo, we know transformation because we're starting it and doing it with ourselves. We call it Lenovo powers Lenovo. Now, we've revamped our entire company with new services-led business models supported by the modern digital infrastructure. SAP, again, has been along the journey with us. Beyond smart factories and SAP S/4HANA, we're using cloud services from SAP to great effect. We've got Ariba in the cloud to gain visibility into our procurement spend and better guide it. We're using Concur, for example, to manage employee expenses and provide a better experience. On the front lines of our transformation, Lenovo TrueScale, which is our umbrella for offering everything in our portfolio as a service, that's been a key trend. And to make it work, we've needed the ability to engage our customers differently than the traditional hardware sale. It's billing by period, by service, by item. And here we're using the Billing and Revenue Innovation Management, BRIM, on Rise with SAP, powered by Lenovo TrueScale. So this allows us to rapidly bring new business offerings to the market in a scalable way. One final piece from our partnership to share today. We're working to co-identify innovation opportunities, or co-innovation with SAP, where we're taking what we're doing together on transformation, figuring out what other companies may require, and turning that into code and functionality for the SAP marketplace as solution components. This makes the entire community and ecosystem more valuable. All this comes together to make an excellent case where we're using the combined power of our technologies to advance our transformation at speed and lead the way with new compelling value propositions for our customers.
Art, thank you so much for sharing your story and the transformation that you've gained as well. And of course, thanks for the laptop.
You're welcome.